Hello everyone, I've successfully been running my own Google Ads campaigns for over 15 years and I now run Google Ads campaigns for companies in the UK and America. This year I'm giving away all of my best Google Ads tips and tricks so that you too can be successful using Google Ads. Here comes video number 12 in 2020 and another important tip, so please keep watching. So, my next tip is, for Google Ads to work really well, you need a great website. I've said many times about the need for great landing pages, but really this is the same for your entire website. It's really important to remember that Google Ads doesn't sell your product or service, you do, through having a great overall business image. And your website must convey that image. This is because very often people that come to your site from Google Ads will check you out before contacting you. So ensure that your branding is consistent and overall that your business looks professional. That's it for this video, and I hope as always that you found it helpful. Remember, if you'd like help with any of your Google Ads campaigns, why not give me a call? Come on, let's have a coffee.